here is the stain that's the cats, the dog, everybody pee here, and it's all over the rug. I'm putting the padding here, and I'm taking the rug and I put it on the top of it. I block the vacuum on this area here. This is a vacuum floor. When I'm opening this valve, and now the suction is coming from under the rug. It means I'm cleaning the rug through the rug. I flood the rug from the top with the odor-free Dead Sea minerals. The suction from under the rug pull everything through the rug and send it to the sewage. This process repeats itself many times. The size of the rug is 8 by 10. Every time that I flood the rug, I'm using 75 gallons of Dead Sea minerals. This 75 gallon going through the rug and going to the sewage. On the way to the sewage, all the dirt, the water, everything's blending together. Everything's coming from here, going through the tube and coming to this clear tube. And this clear tube show me what's coming from the rug. So I can see in real time, yellow, brown, dark brown, chocolate brown. When I complete, after about 2,000 gallons of Dead Sea minerals that will go through the rug and the padding, the Dead Sea minerals is odor-free, soap-free. It means when you receive the rug, if it's wool, you smell wool. If it's a silk, you don't smell anything. The water here will be clear. Then I know my process is complete.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.